Okay, I ask you some question just to check. अच्छा तब तक एक एक्सरसाइज करते हैं ऑनलाइन होने। Many student they complain like they are slow. जैसे स्टार्ट हो बता देना मेरे को ना। हो गया स्टार्ट? चलो एनीवेज so many students they complain they are very slow in calculation. How many of you think you are slow in calculation? Okay. Good number of students. Okay, I tell you. Like once I was teaching on, I was sitting under the tree, ठीक है, not board tree. So I got this ज्ञान प्राप्ति. I got the answer for your question. Why you are slow in calculation? I will share with you. Why some student you are slow in calculation? One of the reason. I will not say the only reason. One of the reason why some of you are slow in calculation. We will do one exercise. Okay, I start the timer. ठीक है? So कुछ नहीं करना आपने, इस पे नहीं करना, नोटबुक पे कुछ नहीं करना. ABCD all of you know. ठीक है, you know. So here first exercise you have to be fast. A to Z ABCD. देखता हूँ कितना टाइम लगेगा. How much time will take? A to Z. मनी मन करना. The moment you done, just raise your hand. So जैसे स्टार्ट बोलूंगा तब, ठीक है. ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट जिस जिसको सुन रहा है वो भी स्टार्ट हो सकते हैं, नहीं तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं. 1 2 3 स्टार्ट. भाई ने स्टार्ट करने से पहले हाथ खड़ा कर दिया. चीटिंग कर गया ब्रो तू. स्टार्ट से पहले स्टार्ट हो गया. ऐसा थोड़ी ना, एक सेकंड में कैसे हो सकता है? AI थोड़ी ना. बट एनीवेज द एवरेज टाइम इज नियरली 4 सेकंड. एवरेज टाइम इज नियरली 4 सेकंड. ठीक है, अब आ जाओ, कोई ना, हम हैं कंपटीशन में भी. ओके, सो नाउ हियर यू हैव टू डू रिवर्स. Z Y X. जैसे स्टार्ट बोलूंगा, चीटिंग नहीं करनी, पकड़ लूंगा. 1 2 3 स्टार्ट. नहीं हो गया ना? ओके, 25 30 सेकेंड, that is the average time. Okay, I tell all of you know A to Z. ऐसा तो नहीं कि you don't know. All of you know. It is like here we have practiced A to Z 1000 times during school days. And number of time we have done. That's why we are very fast. Hardly we have practiced Z to A. That's why we are very slow. So here if any one of you slow in anything like calculation and any other thing, it is lack of practice. School days somehow you manage to pass. So what you have to do, you make it a rule, whenever in our question there is a calculation, don't avoid. Because I have seen students, they have a mindset like here we are here to learn concept. They feel calculation is a clerical work, like here somebody else will do. But after your selection, till your selection you have to do your calculation. ठीक है, आपको क्लर्क मिलेंगे बट सिलेक्शन के बाद, not before selection. So here when we solve question, I have seen student, they have a mindset, especially category 1 student. Category 3 तो कर रहे हैं calculation. They are good in calculation, they are doing calculation. Category 1 they are not good in calculation and they keep on avoiding calculation. So whenever I teach, whenever there is a calculation part, they leave it and they think they have to learn only concept. So make it a rule from today onward, whenever you practice question, if there is a calculation you have to do, and without calculator. कोई calculator तो नहीं यूज कर रहा ना? I will take your calculator. और आजकल कैलकुलेटर हो रखा है बहुत महंगा, 40,000 50,000. यस सर नो. कहाँ करते हो कैलकुलेशन? मोबाइल में? कोई मैं ले लूंगा फिर. ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट, आई विल टेल यू माई एड्रेस, तो आप सेंड कर देना. So don't be dependent on calculator until unless you are relative of Amit Shah. वहां दो थे ना एमएलए एमपी, नहीं चलेगी अप्रोच। अमित शाह से लेटर लेके जाना पड़ेगा बकायदा टू गेट ए कैलकुलेटर इनसाइड द एग्जामिनेशन, और वो भी नहीं अलाउ हो पाएगा, आई थिंक सो। सो हियर डोंट बी डिपेंडेंट ऑन कैलकुलेटर। जैसे कैलकुलेटर सीए, एनीवन हियर सीए जाता है हाथ कैलकुलेटर की तरफ? ऑप्शनल में है सर, सी सेट में नहीं है। ठीक है, सी सेट पेपर में नहीं अलाउड है, हाथ रोक लेना अपना। ओके चलो जी, सो लेट अस स्टार्ट द लेक्चर। सो डिविजिबिलिटी ऑफ 2 लास्ट डिजिट, डिविजिबिलिटी ऑफ 4 लास्ट 2 डिजिट। ओके ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स, फाइन। सो नाउ ठीक है, अब नहीं लेक्चर रोकेंगे बीच में, अगर ऑनलाइन वालों का इश्यू रहेगा तो उनको दोबारा से पढ़ा दूंगा। ठीक है जी, डिविजिबिलिटी ऑफ 8, divisibility of 2 we check last digit, only the last digit is sufficient. For divisibility of 4 last 2 digit, divisibility of 8 last 3 digit. So rule is if the last 3 digit are divisible by 8, it means complete number is divisible by 8, otherwise not. So we have to check only last 3 digit for divisibility of 8. Like here, if number is 45,144, it is asked if this number is divisible by 8, yes or no. We check last 3 digit, 144, you try to divide by 8, 8, 64, 8 is a 64, yes, this number is divisible by 8. Like for example, I take 37,121, it is asked whether this number is divisible by 8, yes or no. No, because last 3 digit are not divisible by 8. If in case number is not divisible by 8, we need remainder. Let me tell you, for remainder also we have the same short trick, only the last 3 digit are sufficient to find remainder. So 121 is sufficient, so we try to divide by 8, 8, 41, 8 5s are 40, so your remainder is 1. So this number is not divisible by 8, but if in case we divided by 8, our remainder is 1. Entire number give remainder, but no need to check entire number, only last 3 digit are sufficient. I take one more number. Like for example, it is asked 37,256. So it is asked whether this number is divisible by 8, yes or no. We have to check last 3 digit. So here 256 divided by 8, we get 24, 16, 8 to the 16. So yes, this number is divisible by 8. Last year in one of the batch, one student asked me, sir, if number is not having 3 digit only, number is a 2 digit number, तो do you need any short trick? 2 digit के लिए क्या ही चाहिए होगा, 80 तक तो वैसे ही रटा हुआ है, 88 और 96. We need short trick for bigger number, not for small number. So here if a number have 10 digit, 20 digit, 30 digit, 40 digit, 50 digit, whatever the number of digit may be, only the last 3 digit are sufficient to check whether number is divisible by 8, yes or no. If no, what is your remainder? Now here I ask you 3 number, take your time, you check divisibility of 8. If it is divisible, you write yes. If not, you find the remainder. So here 97,171, 25,225, 34,488. Check if number are divisible by 8, yes or no. If no, find remainder. If yes, perfect. Now here first number, is it divisible by 8? No. Then what is your remainder? So you check only 171, only the last 3 digits are sufficient. Here 16, 11, 8, your remainder here is 3. Now here 225, is it divisible by 8? No. So here only last 3 digits are sufficient, 16, 65, 64. What is your remainder? 1. हाँ? आज तक तो 1 था, 3 कब आया? कभी कभी मुझे लग रहा था मेरी कैलकुलेशन तो नहीं गड़बड़ होगी. Now here 488, is it divisible by 8? Yes. Last 3 digits are divisible by 8. So 8 6 are 48, 8. Yes. So here this complete number is divisible by 8. Now see the concept. For divisibility of 2, we have to check 1 digit in the last unit place digit. For divisibility of 4, we have to check 2 digit in the last. For divisibility of 8, we have to check last 3 digit. Now divisibility of 16, you have to check last 4 digit. So if last 4 digit are divisible by 16, it means complete number is divisible by 16. Now here it is 2 is to power x. 2 is to power 1, only 1 digit in the last is sufficient. What is 4? 2 square. So last 2 digit are sufficient. What is it? 2 cube. Last 3 digit are sufficient. 16 is 2 is to power 4. So the last 4 digit are required. 32, you can check divisibility of 32 also, but 32 is 2 is to power 5. So to check divisibility of 32, you have to check last 5 digit. So the last 5 digit are sufficient to check divisibility of 32. Now I ask you UPSC CSAT level question based on this concept. Not in your booklet. मैं सिर्फ लैंग्वेज ले रहा हूं क्वेश्चन की. So you write, I write question for you on the board. A number n is formed by writing 9 for 99 times. So it means that number we have 999 99 times. A number n is formed by writing 9 for 99 times. Now the question is, what is the remainder if n is divided by 60? Okay, n is divided by 16. Some students, they think we have to check 99 digit. What is your n? I repeat, a number n is formed by writing 9 for 99 times. So it means your number is 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 99 times. We have to divide this number by 16. We have to check remainder. If you think you have to check complete number, better leave this question. But the concept is for divisibility of 16, whatever the number may be, you have to check only last 4 digit. Only the last 4 digit are sufficient. Why? Because 16 is 2 is to power 4. This is our concept. For divisibility of 2, only the last digit sufficient. For divisibility of 4, only last 2 digits are sufficient. For divisibility of 8, last 3 digits are sufficient. For divisibility of 16, you have to check only last 4 digits. Since your digits are 99999 only, so it means the last 4 digits are also 9999. So it means you check only last 4 digits, which is 9999. You get your answer. Now we divide it by 16. 16 6 the 96, 3 9, 32, 79, 16 4 the 64. So what is your remainder here? 50. So our answer in this particular question is 50. Question seems very difficult, but if you have a conceptual clarity, this is a bonus mark question. Question is, a number n is formed by writing 9 for 99 times. What is the remainder if this number is divided by 16? So in your number you have 9, how many times? 99 times. 999999, 99 digits are there. So you check only last 4 digits. Wait, I take 2 more example. You write a number n is formed by writing 7 for 77 times. What is the remainder if n is divided by 16? Okay, those who are facing problem to understand this short trick, I have a alternate method for you. I tell you 7 7 7 7 7 7 7. So what step number 1, at your home you have to write 77 times. Step number 2, you have to divide this entire number by 60. 5 मिनट बाद शॉर्ट ट्रिक समझ में आ जाएगी. ठीक है. See, I have only two. I have three options. Method 1 is your school method. You divide entire number, which is time consuming. Method 2 is our concept. Concept क्या कहता है? For digility of 16, only the last 4 digits are sufficient. Since you have 7, how many times? 77 times, 1000 times, 10,000 times, doesn't matter. Only the last 4 digits matter. What are the last 4 digits? 7 7 7 7. So we have last 4 digits 7 7 7 7. So you check only last 4 digits divided by 16. You get your answer. So here 16 4s are 64. Here 137. 16 8s are 128. So you get 97. 16 6 are 96. My answer is coming 1. So your remainder here in that case is 1. I take one more question. See here, for digility of 16, only the last 4 digits are sufficient. So we apply this concept. A number n is formed by writing 3 for 333 times. I have 333 times. My question is, what is the remainder if n is divided by 16? Take time, keep answer with yourself. हाँ, एक ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट का डाउट है, सर 16 से करना ही क्यों है? क्योंकि आईएएस बनना है हमें. क्वेश्चन में लिखा है व्हाट इज द रिमाइंडर व्हेन इट इज डिवाइडेड बाय 16. दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू डिवाइड बाय 16 बिकॉज एग्जामिनर आस्क अस टू डू सो. एग्जामिनर ने बोला है 16 से डिवाइड करके रिमाइंडर क्या आएगा, तभी हम कर रहे हैं 16. हाँ, 16 से होगा तो 4 से भी होगा, 8 से भी होगा, 2 से भी होगा. दैट इज नॉट आवर कंसर्न. आवर कंसर्न इज 16 से डिवाइड करने पे क्या रिमाइंडर आएगा. तो यू हैव ए नंबर n formed by writing 3 for 333 times. So here don't take complete number. Concept suggests only last 4 digits are sufficient. What is your answer, those who have done? So we divide it by 16. Here 16 2s are 32 minus here 1 3, but it is not divisible. एक 3 और ले लो. 16 8s are 128. So here your remainder is coming 5. So here a number n formed by writing 3 for 333 times. If that number is divided by 16, what will be your remainder? 5. My next question. A number n is formed by writing 5 for 55 times. What is the remainder if n is divided by 32? जो 16 से स्टार्ट हो गया, पहले क्वेश्चन देख लिया करो पूरा. Divided by 32. Take your time. Okay, step number 1 is divided by 32. 32 is 2 is to power 5. So here you have to check last 5 digit. Since number is 5 55 times, so last 5 digit are also 5 5 5 5 5. Those who have done, what is your answer? So we divided by 32. So here this is 32. So you get 3 here, you get 2 here, 2 3 5. 32 8 the 7 the into 7, yes, 7 to the 14, 1 2 2 4. So here 224. So you get 11. So you take 1 5. 32 3s are 96. You get 19. 195. 32 6 are 192. So here your remainder is coming 3. Try one more question, क्योंकि ये आधा तो तुक्के से भी ठीक हो जाता है. But since I'm not giving answer option and you are getting answer 3, means you have understood the concept. तुक्का आंसर ऑप्शन में लगता है, विदाउट आंसर ऑप्शन तुक्का नहीं लगता. But still try. A number n is formed by writing 7 for 77 times. What is the remainder if n is divided by 32? Okay. So here we have 77 times. So it means last 5 digit are 7777. Because divisible by 32, so we have to check last 5 digit. So here this is 32. 32 to the 64. So you get 137, 128. So you get 9, 7. So you get 96. So here you get 1. And here 7. What is your answer? All of you got answer 17. Similarly, if I ask similar type of question and I ask divided by 64, then how many digit in the last you will check? 6. So concept is 2 is to power x. For 2 we have to check 1 digit in the last. For divisibility of 4 we have to check 2 digit in the last. For divisibility of 8 we have to check 3 digit. For divisibility of 16 last 4 digit. For divisibility of 32 last 5 digit. For divisibility of 64 last 6 digit. Any doubt?
32 का भी टेबल याद रखना पड़ेगा. 25 तक बोला
नहीं स्कूल की तरह से कर लो.
ऐसा करना.
बिल्कुल. 16 का कर लिया आपने?
नहीं सर, ये जो 64 का कैसे करने का, फिर आगे आएगा तो 2 रेज़ टू 6 आया, फिर 7 आएगा, 2 रेज़ टू 7 आ जाएगा.
हाँ, फिर 2 रेज़ टू 8 आ जाएगा.
कहाँ तक आएगा सर? 2 रेज़ टू कहाँ तक आएगा?
अच्छा, have I asked to cover? एक होमवर्क लिख लो. 2 की पावर 1 to 2 is to power 12. This is your homework. 2 is to power 1 to 2 is to power 12. Mug up. 3 is to power 1 to 3 is to power 7. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, 1024. रटा होना चाहिए. 2 की पावर 10 is 1024. If I ask 2 is to power 9, your response has to be 512. ठीक है. 2 is to power 6 64. 2 is to power 5 32. Now next is second category is divisibility of 3, divisibility of 9. So let me start with divisibility of 3. Divisibility of 3. I think many of you already know. So kindly tell me if you know what is divisibility of 3 rule. Sum of the digit. Like here I take number 45,144. I tell you how we check divisibility of 3. If sum of the digit of given number is divisible by 3, then the complete number is divisible by 3. So no need to check this number. You take sum of the digit. 4 plus 5 plus 1 plus 4 plus 4. 4 plus 5, 9, 10, 14, 18. So if the sum of the digit is 18, and since 18 is divisible by 3, it means this complete number is divisible by 3. Like here I take 9,171. So 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 7, 17, 17 plus 1, 18. And since this 18 is divisible by 3, so this number is divisible by 3. Like here for example 42,363. So here 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 6 15, 15 plus 3 18. So here it is divisible by 3. Like one more, 9,141. So we have to check if this number divisible by 3, yes or no. So it is 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 4 14 plus 1 15. Since this 15 is divisible by 3, it means this complete number is divisible by 3. So I repeat, if sum of the digit is divisible by 3, it means complete number divisible by 3. Now here 27,224. So here it is 2 plus 7 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4, 2 plus 7, 9, 11, 13, 17. So since this 17 is not divisible by 3, it means this entire number is not divisible by 3. I repeat, if sum of the digit of a given number is divisible by 3, it means complete number divisible by 3. If not, then number is not divisible by 3. But if in case number is not divisible by 3, we need remainder. For remainder also the same short trick will help. Only this 17 is sufficient to find the remainder. No need to check complete number. If you divide this 17 by 3, what is your remainder? 2. So it means this complete number give you remainder 2. If you check this complete number, then also you get remainder 2. But no need to check. That is wastage of time. I take 2 examples. 24,241, 37,225. Okay. So now here first step we will add 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 1, 6 plus 6, 12 plus 1, 13. Tell me, is this 13 divisible by 3? No. Then if you divide this number by 3, what is your remainder? For that 13 is sufficient. 13 divided by 3, what is your remainder? 1. So it means this complete number give you remainder 1. Similarly, in this case, this is 3 plus 7 plus 2 plus 2 plus 5. This is 10 plus 9, 19. Is this 19 divisible by 3? No. But if you divide 19 by 3, what is the remainder? 1. So this number give you remainder 1. I ask you 3 number. Take your time, check if the number is divisible by 3, yes or no. In case no, you have to find remainder. Now here 37,141, 25,242, 97,141. Check if first number is divisible by 3, yes or no. In case no, you have to find remainder also. Second number divisible by 3, yes or no. Third number divisible by 3, yes or no. Okay, ji, first number, tell me, is it divisible by 3? No. Then what is your remainder? 3 plus 7, 10, 11, 15, 16. 16 divided by 3, your remainder 1. So this entire number give you remainder 1. Now this second number divisible by 3, yes or no? Yes. 2 plus 5 7 plus 2 9 plus 6 15. Yes, this number is divisible by 3. What about third number? 9 plus 7 16 17 21 22. 22 is not divisible by 3, your remainder 1. So this entire number give you remainder 1. Now here this is divisibility of 3. I tell you there are certain number where no need to check total also, you can save your time. So you will be fast. बता दो कैसे? Like here, if number is given 6 9 3 3 6 9 6 6 9 3, ठीक है? तो कुछ भी नंबर है ऐसा बड़ा. Okay. So now here, if you check, you will check 6 plus 9 plus 3 plus 3 plus 6 plus 9, but it is waste of time, because if in your given number there are 3 or multiple of 3, you ignore, no need to carry. Like here 33,661, ठीक है, ये number ले लेता हूं, then I take this example. So one method is you do 3 plus 3 plus 6 plus 6 plus 1. But it is unnecessary wastage of time, because whenever you have 3 or multiple of 3, ignore. So जहां पे भी 3 6 9 मिल जाए उसको हटा दो, 3 3 6 6 हटा दो, तो you left with 1, that will decide whether it is divisible or not. So here 1, so if you divide this entire number, your remainder will be 1. No need to do 3 plus 3 plus 6 plus 6 plus 1. Like in this number, here you ignore this 6, you ignore 9, 3, 3, 6, 9, 6, 6, 9, 3. So it means yes, this entire number is divisible by 3. Like you have number 99,663. So here if you do 9 plus 9 plus 6 plus 6 plus 3, it is wastage of time. Because if in your given number you have 3, 6, 9, ignore. Here ये 9 9 6 6 3 हटा दो. Here it is exactly divisible by 3. Yes. Like for example, I take 36,932. So either you take sum of the digit 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 3 plus 2. But it is unnecessary wastage of time, because if in your given number you have 3 or multiple of 3, no need to carry in your addition. 3 6 9 3 you ignore.